All right, I'm over at Ron's today. I'm gonna put a package or two packages of bees in for him. So I was gonna do a video right quick and show you how to do it. Put it on my YouTube channel. Anybody can do it. It just takes just knowing how. Somebody show you. So let me get everything together here. We're gonna start with this one. Some of the things you gotta have some sugar water, a stapler, hive tool, and all your equipment needs to be set up and ready to go. And we're gonna pull out about 3 frames. Just lay them to the side. Lay them to the side, and we'll have a place to put our bees in there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray them down with sugar water. That's gonna calm them down, plus give them a little bit of something to eat and make them not fly as easily, so they'll stay in the box and get established. First thing we're gonna do, take the sugar water and the queen out of the hive after I squirt them down a little bit. A little sprayer. This is just half and half sugar and water. Make this mixture up. Bees love it. Now, get them over here a little closer. Pop the top off. Keep it handy. Don't lay it too far away because you're going to need that again in a minute. I like to bump them down when I pull this syrup can out. There's not as many on it, so it works good. We'll get that out and save that. We'll use that again. Take the queen out. When you get this queen out, I like to leave this strap on it to use when I'm going to put her in there. And I always like to look at her. Let's cover them back up. They're not wanting to fly out anyway, but make sure the queen is good. She is. I see her moving around in there. Now this is the important part. You got a candy side and a non-candy side. What you want to do is take the cork out of the candy side. You got to leave it in. That's going to allow the bees to get her out in about 3 or 4 days. And then you come back and you take the queen cage out. That one down in there, so get out a little pocket knife. But inside there, it's got a little candy core. Really, it's just sugar fondue. But I'm gonna put this down between 2 frames with the candy side down. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm actually gonna use a stapler, and I'm gonna staple it to the top of one of these frames. And when I take that cage out, I'll just have to pull that staple out. That's not a problem. Now the bees are already shut down pretty good, but before I dump them in, I like to give them one little quick shake, and we'll start dumping them in. Get them all out you can, then just set that in front of the hive, and that'll allow them to come out and go in with the pheromones at. As they're in there now, we'll gently place the frames back in. I hear them fanning. That went in really good. I'll take my top board, cover them up. That one's done. That's all it is to it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Mark's Bees. There you go.